Hello guys. In this video, I'll show you how to use Binance spot trading step by step as a beginner. First, open the Binance app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on Trades, then select Spot. Here you'll see the trading screen. At the top, you can choose the trading pair, for example, BTC and USDT. Now let's understand what you see. In the middle, this is the price chart. Below, you'll find the order section. To buy crypto, make sure Buy is selected. Choose Market Order if you want to buy instantly at the current price. Enter the amount you want to buy, then tap Buy. If you prefer to buy at a specific price, choose Limit Order. Enter your desired price and amount, then place the order. Once your order is filled, the crypto will appear in your wallet. This is spot trading. You only trade what you own. No borrowing. No leverage. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple Binance tutorials.